Hello everyone and welcome to Ender IT. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove hidden spy apps on your Android phone and how to disable them. If this video helps, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Let's get into the method. Load the Settings app. The Settings app allows you to manage all apps installed on your device, including both system apps and third-party apps. You will find this app on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Apps. This will display a list of all the apps on your phone. Give the list a quick scan. Spot any weird or unknown apps. Some spy apps use deceptive names like Battery Saver, Google Services, or System Update. If you find any questionable apps, tap on them to view details such as app size, permissions, and usage. Uninstall any suspicious apps. If you confirm that an app is a spy app, tap the Uninstall button at the bottom. However, some spy apps may not allow you to uninstall them easily. In that case, you can check app permissions and try to restrict them that way. App permissions let apps access your camera, mic, and location. Some malicious apps exploit these permissions to track your every move. Your phone could be spying on you. Go to Settings again, then scroll down and tap on Apps. In the Dots menu, tap on Permission Manager. This will display a list of all the permissions that apps can request from your phone. You will also see how many apps have access to each permission. Look for permissions that seem suspicious or unnecessary for a normal app, such as access to your camera, microphone, location, contacts, SMS, or call logs. Tap on any permission to see which apps have access to. If you find a third-party app that seems unusual or unnecessary, tap on it to open its permission settings. Slide the toggle to the left or turn off all permissions to revoke its access rights. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. By following these steps, you can identify and remove hidden spy apps from your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.